Hi guys, I'm back. Welcome to the Purple Box. Today we will be doing rasmalai, which we will be doing from the scratch, from milk to rasgulla to rasmalai, the whole process. So let's start. We will be needing milk, and this is a full cream milk. You have to take full cream milk. So I will be using 3 liters of milk. So 1 liter is required for the rasmalai juice and the rest for making the rasgullas. This is sugar around 1 cup. Actually it's a bit more than 1 cup of sugar. Few cardamoms or small elaichi, green elaichi for flavor. You need lemon to make chena out of the milk. Another 1.5 cup of sugar for the milk. Some chopped almond. This is absolutely optional. I have put the milk on boil and I will be running the spatula at times on the floor of the pan just to check that the milk is not getting stuck on the floor, and let it boil. I have added lemon juice in the milk, in the boiling milk, and see the paneer or the chena is forming gradually. After around 1 minute, see the chena is separated from the water. Now this water you can cool it down and have it. This is the whey protein that we have, which is very healthy. Put the chena on a sieve and let the water drain out and also cool down, say for 10 to 15 minutes. Now this is a very important step. Under running water, you have to clean the chena or the paneer to remove the hint of lemon that is there in the chena. Otherwise the rasgullas will not form. Continue pouring running water and see that there is no lump of chena left behind. That might hold some lemon juice, which might spoil the rasgulla in the process. So continue this for around 3 to 4 minutes. Press tightly to ensure that there is no extra water in the paneer, but at the same time it has not stiffened. So we will be keeping it for 15 minutes and then press to make the excess water drain out. Now put the paneer or chena on the slab. Mash the paneer very well. So keep pressing with this part of your palm and then gather it back and press it again. Go on with this process. After around 5 minutes, the chena is ready. How will you understand? It starts releasing oil. You can feel your palm oily and you can see it's folding. So then you know it is ready. Take a small portion of the chena and put it on your palm and then roll it to make a ball. You see it's releasing the oil. That means you have mashed it very nicely. And see there is no lump on the chena that you are using. So you just keep rolling and make a tight ball. Press it and then again roll it. So that makes it a perfect ball and you keep it. Then go again for the next one. The balls for rasmalai are ready. I could manage to finish the whole of it within 10 minutes because I made it a family event and made my husband and children all do it. There's one big rasgulla over there. This my elder son made for himself. He wants to have only rasgulla before it becomes rasmalai. Take 1.5 liter of water in a pressure cooker and add the sugar into it. The sugar water has started boiling. So now we will simmer the flame and add all the rasgullas into it. I am adding the rasgullas very gradually into the sugar syrup. This is still on boil. If you see the rasgullas are floating, that means the process that you have done has gone all perfect. I finished adding all the rasgulla balls into the sugar syrup. It's boiling and you can see they have already started increasing in size. So I'll put the lid of the pressure cooker and just go for one whistle, and then within half a minute I will open the lid. While the rasgullas are getting ready in the pressure cooker, I have put a liter of milk to boil. Crush the cardamoms very lightly, just open them. I have added the cardamoms and the pressure cooker has already given one whistle, so I will switch off the flame for the pressure cooker and will continue boiling the milk with cardamom on another pan. I have put the rasgullas gently and then after 2 minutes switched off the flame. After putting off the flame, I will be adding the chopped almond and then mix it in the rasmalai. Our rasmalai is ready. If you like it, don't forget to share, subscribe and comment. We will be back with another interesting dish. Bye.